We are going to cover the most talked about and anticipated new features to 2023 Model 3 and Model Y Tesla vehicles that will affect every single vehicle they produce from here on out going into the new year, and things that they're going to be removing from all Tesla vehicles. Let's go over those new features in vehicles coming to 2023. Let's just jump right into it. Tesla announced that the USS sensors, so those sensors that are really parking sensors, will be removed from all Teslas across the board. So the big news in 2023 is Tesla Vision will now take over in place of these USS sensors, which means that the cameras surrounding your vehicle will not only measure distance between cars when you're driving, but will act as that parking sensor as well. The brand new Model Y standard range is finally approved from the EPA and will be available for sale in 2023. Now, this is a big change. We've heard rumors of the standard range Model Y being released at $60,000 when it was previously for sale only for Tesla employees and select few customers that already had an order with Tesla. That was the only time we saw this available. So now in 2023, you'll have a standard range estimated at 279 miles. So for that amount of range, you get all-wheel drive and all of the creature comforts of a Model Y, again estimated around $60,000. The long-range Model 3 is no longer for sale on the Tesla website, but it does say it will be back online, available for order in 2023. Now, with the EV tax credit, changes could happen with the price. Now, previously, it was higher than $55,000, which is the cap for sedans on the EV tax credit. That would give you $7,500 back whenever you file your taxes for 2023. So it will be 2024. So that price could come down in 2023. I do expect it will, because Elon said that Tesla will fully qualify for the EV tax credit. Let's go into the next one, CSS charging coming to Teslas. And basically what this is an adapter that you can use at non-Tesla superchargers. Things like Charge Across America. This is important if you're going on road trips or if you want to be on the road with all of the possible options available. So we're including this one because it just was recently announced. This adapter now expands charging options, and this will be available for all Teslas moving forward, the CCS charger. The brand new colors coming to Tesla out of Giga Berlin, available at that location, the new cherry red and quicksilver gray. Now, if you're here in the United States like I am, brand new colors will be coming as well here in the States, Elon has confirmed. So brand new colors coming in 2023, a brand new feature coming to Teslas. Brand new taillights, better taillights, brighter taillights have been released for the Model 3 Performance. Now, these taillights are brighter when not in use. The red ring around the taillight and an amber turn signal has been added when previously it was a red turn signal on previous taillight models. This again for the Model 3 Performance. Upgraded taillights coming to 2023. Also available for the Model 3 Performance, track mode. If you're interested in taking your car for a spin on the track, Elon has confirmed just currently only for this new edition for the Model 3. Now, previous cars have already had track mode, but now just added for 2023, track mode in the Model 3 Performance. Coming to all Tesla vehicles, the big partnership that was just recently announced. If you're a business person, if you like to connect with friends and family, Zoom is now coming to all Teslas. So now you can take conference calls in your Tesla with Zoom. Again, the video conferencing platform partnership going to be available in 2023. Just recently changed, the Model Y will no longer have white on the exterior doors. Now, previously it was a white finish right near the door handles, being replaced with a black Alcantara felt type of material. This is the same type of material that my Model 3 has in the front. So again, the Model Y eliminating that white feature on the rear doors and replace for the black. Also new recently out of Giga Shanghai, longer rear seats to allow for easier passenger comfort. So the base of the seats are actually a few centimeters longer. Now, it's not yet said if this is going to come to the States or Giga Berlin or other factories. If it's anything like other features in Teslas, we should expect this to, over time, regardless of the production facility, roll out to all Teslas. So the rear seats are getting longer power and this. So if you're unaware, the emergency exit seat, a manual release of the door, let's say if power were to fail in a Tesla, was relatively difficult to access, and now a new emergency exit found in the cup holder on the door has been added to the models of Tesla Model Y and Model 3, again out of Shanghai. So I would expect us to see that relatively soon in 2023, another change that you can look forward to next year. Also new in 2023, just recently, Elon and the Tesla team opened up their blueprint for their chargers to all manufacturers, releasing the architecture so that other manufacturers can essentially copy the technology. And Elon actually saying just yesterday that it is the right thing to do to open up these blueprints and connection chargers and superchargers to all. So in 2023, you could be also sharing and charging next to a BMW, next to an Acura, next to a Jeep at your supercharger. It seems like Elon wants to open up supercharging for all. So that is a condensed list of a lot of other detailed items that are changing moving into 2023, but those are the most talked about and most significant, if you will. So let me know what you think about this change down in the comment section below. Which Tesla are you considering ordering next year, knowing all of these changes are happening? So the only way I know you like this video is, of course, to drop a like and consider subscribing. It really helps out the channel and gives me really good feedback that you do appreciate the channel. Again, this is Matt from Frunk to Trunk. We will see you in the next video.